So what I have here today is the Samsung The Freestyle. This is their mobile projector. The model number is SPLSP3BLA. This one is the 1080p version. I believe the original one that came out last year was only 720, and this one's supposed to be the 1080 version now. Let's see. The maximum screen width for this one is going to be 100 inches. From what I read, this particular one, it does not have an adjuster on it, so basically the closer you bring it to the wall, the smaller the screen, and the furthest away you bring it, the larger the screen. At 30 inches is going to be the minimum, at 2.2 feet, if memory serves me correct, and 8.8 feet will give you 100 inches. Let's see what it comes with. The Freestyle, it's got one HDMI port. Comes with one cable for both audio and video. Okay, so HDMI cable is sold separately, so it sounds like this only comes with the projector. Alright, so let's check this out. Yep, so here is the pamphlet telling you the distance. Let's see what we got here. 2.6 feet is the closest, and 8.7 feet is the furthest, and 8.7 will give you 100 inches. Let's see, yep, 100 inches, and then 30 inches is for the 2.6 feet. Just a quick setup guide, not much here, just pictures. Let's see what we've got in here. Got your wall plug. Got your USB-C to a 90-degree USB-C cable. And that's it for that one. And here is the Freestyle. This projector is pretty small. Now I did look on their website, and they do have a carrying case for this, which you will have to buy separately. There is a battery that you can mount to the bottom of this, which also is sold separately. However, the nice thing is that you can power this using a standard USB power brick like you do for phones. You can use that to power this as well. You've got two plugs here on the side, USB-C, which should be your power, and it looks like you got a mini HDMI port here. It's not a full size apparently. And you got a switch that says mic on it, so I guess you can turn the mic on and off via the switch right here. And it looks like a remote, I believe. Yep, and you've got your remote. So that's basically all that comes with it. You've got your Freestyle, you've got your remote, quick start guide, a USB-C to a 90-degree USB-C, and your power plug. And actually it looks like there's something else in here. So let's open this up. Okay, and you have a more detailed user manual. So this one's stating that it's a Class 1 laser product, which means it uses a laser. So it says it's a Class 1 laser product. So instead of a old style lighting that it uses a bulb, this one uses a laser. It does give you installation instructions right here, operation instructions, as well caring for the projector. Product overview. So let's look at this real quick. So apparently these holes up here is for ventilation, which is pretty obvious. Yep, this mic switch is an on-off switch. This is the micro HDMI port. The USB port for power, that's only for power. It's calling this piece the cradle, Apparently the speaker, yep, there it is, the speaker is on the bottom. Apparently the top of this is touch keys. There we go. Okay, so you got your power touch key right here. You have a plus and minus, which, let me see what the plus and minus is for. It's for your volume. And then there's a little icon right here. This is going to be for mobile. So you can directly connect to the SmartThings app on your mobile device. This is a distance sensor, so I'm assuming by that it means it calculates how far it is from the wall. This is the remote control sensor, and obviously that's the lens. And that one right there is also the distance sensor. Looks like that's it for that one. Let's see, where did it go? Let's see now for the remote. You got your power button, you got your mic button, your directional button, up, down, left, and right. The center of it is going to be your select. You got your return. This home button is going to be for your smart hub. This is play and pause. And then you've got a Netflix, Samsung TV Plus, Prime Video, and Disney buttons on the bottom. You got your audio, volume up, volume down. It looks like a channel button here. Basically a standard remote, micro-sized. You got a USB-C connection here. Yep, that's volume, that's channel. So apparently if you press the return and the play button at the same time, that sets your pairing. And yep, this is the USB-C port. It's used for charging. You've got accessibility functions using your volume button as well. It's got voice guide settings, caption settings. So you got a multi-output audio. So you can turn on the projector speaker and a Bluetooth device at the same time. And when the function is active, you can set the volume of the Bluetooth device higher than the volume of the projector speaker. And a maximum of 2 Bluetooth devices can be connected simultaneously. Okay, it tells you how to do the initial setup, troubleshooting and maintenance. It's got a little bit of some of the specs in here. Image size, lens. Tells you the throw ratio of 1.2. The display resolution is 1920 by 1080. So that is pretty nice. It's got a interesting soft feel to it. It almost feels like this is a cover that's on top of it actually. Yeah, it feels like kind of like a rubber cover over it. Like I did say, they do sell a carrying case for this. They do sell, you can take this off and put a battery designed to be on the bottom of it, and it replaces this cradle, I believe. It also comes with, you can also purchase a light mount for it, so you can actually screw this into a light socket. Of course, that means it'll be hanging down, but you can power it from a light socket as well, and you can shine onto the floor. Alright, so I will try this later, and I will record it and see how well it works. But so far for this video, that is it for the unboxing. So thank you for watching, and